Thank you guys for joining me again on another video. Today we're going to be doing a very nice Christmas glam. I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Alien palette. As you guys see, I'm super excited. So first thing we want to go ahead and did the base. So as you guys know, I always use my plouise base in shade 2, and my brows are done. I use spiked brow pencil as well. So first shade we went ahead and used is Flying Saucer, and Flying Saucer is going to be our main crease shade. So I go ahead and I pop that into the crease and give it a little bit of a blend, not too much because I didn't want it to go up too high, and you guys are going to see why, because I wanted to go in with a different shade. So right here I just took a small Morphe brush. I forgot the number of this one. I'll have all of the brushes and products that I use down below in the description bar, you guys. So yeah, but I go ahead and I start off with a little bit, just pretty much tracing where I want it to be at, and then I start to pack on the shade a lot more and then blending it out, blending out the edges and stuff. So you guys see here, now I have that shape and I'm just blending and blending and blending. For swatches and stuff like that, you guys, if you want me to do them here in the videos, please let me know down below in the comment section, because usually either I'm doing a live on Instagram or on here and I'll do like swatches and stuff like that. But for the most part, I feel like kind of like doing swatches in the videos, it just takes a lot of time and whatnot. But yeah, so just let me know down in the comment section. So right here, I'm looking like I'm just thinking really hard, and I really was. I was trying to figure out what shade to go in with next. So I went in with the shade Martian Soil, and it's a really pretty mustardy shade. And I use that shade to further blend out that first green shade, which is Flying Saucer, and also to use that as the transition shade. Alright, so once I have the blend exactly how I want it to be, I go in and I take my plouise base again in shade 2, and I start to carve out the crease. And I do take my time when it comes to carving out my crease, because I need to make sure that they're both even on both sides, and also so that you can see it when my eyes are open, because I have very wrinkly eyelids. So sometimes if I cut the crease too low, you can't see the actual, cut that I did. So I do take my time, and that's why you guys are only going to see a little bit, because it takes forever to do. But once I do that, I go in and I start to create a liner. So at first I was actually going to use a liquid liner, but then I was just like, you know what? No, let's not use a liquid liner because it's going to be a little too harsh, and I kind of want it to be like the shadow and the liner to be soft, because I am using glitter for this look. So I took the shade Black Hole, and I actually used that, and also, with the tape as my guide to create that sharpness. And I did switch my brush when I got to like the center and the inner corner, and I actually just created a nice wing effect with the shadow, and I pat it onto the base, and that way it can stick, and just kept patting until it got very pigment. So here I didn't realize that my freaking camera stopped recording, so I took Lit Cosmetics glitter glue, and I put that on my eye first. Then I went in with that glitter that is on my eye. This glitter is from Cutiepopglitzyglitterz. They actually have some of my favorite mixes, and they are from Instagram. So if you guys want to check them out, I'll go ahead and leave the Instagram down below and you guys can shop them. She's been having like some amazing deals, you guys, for her glitters, like boxes of glitters. Like I think it's like 30 glitters for like 45 bucks or 55 bucks. So you guys definitely gonna want to go ahead and check her out. So the shade that I'm using there for the inner third of the eye is called UFO. I felt like I just needed some more gold, you know, just to bring out that mustardy shade that I use in the transition area. So I went ahead and used that one. So the next shade I'm using, and this I'm actually going to put in the actual inner corner of the eye, and that is Pluto. Excuse me, you guys, I'm still sick, but I wanted to give you guys a voiceover because I didn't want the video to be like, you know, too boring with just music. So yeah, I went ahead and used Pluto in the inner corner in the brow bone area, and I also did mix a little bit of the shade Alien, which I didn't show, but it's the light shimmer green shade from the palette. So I went ahead and did my lashes and my face off camera. It's the same thing, you guys. There's nothing different about my base. Everything's the same. You know, I just switch up my products and whatnot. So I will definitely list the products that I use on my face down below. All the products that I use for this look will be listed down below, you guys. Alright, so I showed you guys two highlighters. The first highlighter that I used was the Skin Frost in shade King Tut. And then I also used the Supreme Frost, which is more like a topper. And that one is called Frozen Peach, you guys. So there's King Tut right there. You know, I had made sure my skin was very bronzy. That way I could use that highlighting shade, because that one is really good for I would say medium dark to deep skin tones. So it's definitely working for me here because I had bronzy skin. So there goes Supreme Frost. And then the last thing was lips. So for lips, I use my Gerard Cosmetics lip liner, my all-time favorite lip liner formula, you guys, like no lie. At first it was NYX, but ever since I tried out Gerard Cosmetics lip liners, like I can't stop using them. Like literally my all-time fave. So I use the shade Mudslide to line up my lips, and then I use Jeffree Star's liquid lipstick and Can't Relate. And also, if you guys do want to ever try anything from Gerard Cosmetics, I do have an affiliate code that is down below in the description section. I do get a small commission, but you guys will save 30% off. A lot of the codes that I do have will only like give you like maybe 5 or 10% off, but Gerard Cosmetics is so great with, you know, their affiliates and stuff like that, and just giving back and, you know, helping people with discounts and deals and stuff like that. So you guys do get 30% off, you guys, 30% off. So I definitely highly recommend them, but again, you don't have to use it if you don't want to. I'm just, you know, whatever, putting it out there. So yeah, that's Can't Relate, and I just blend the two together. I go back and forth with the lip liner and the liquid lipstick to make sure everything is how I want it to be, and then the look is finished. That's enough talking for me because my voice is hurting. Thank you guys for watching and sticking through this video. Hopefully when I get better, I'll be, you know, live talking and whatnot, but this is a final look. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, share if you can, and follow me on all of my other social media platforms, which will be listed down below. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, bye.